The path you're given. This is commentary from James Brown. Life isn't a lottery. It's a path. Some of us are born with clear trails, paved and lined with lights, while others face rocky roads full of twists and shadows. You don't get to pick where your path starts, but you do get to choose how you walk it. I think about this when I see kids playing in a park. They don't know yet what's ahead. They don't know if their path leads to a mansion or a shelter, an Ivy League classroom or a factory floor. But in that moment, they're running, they're laughing, and they're making the best of now. Maybe that's the lesson. You start where you start, but every step is your own. Take me, for instance. My path began without a dad. That meant no guide to show me the ropes or teach me to shave. No steady hand to help me steer. But my mom, God bless her, taught me to focus on what I had, not what I didn't. She taught me to keep walking, even if the trail uphill was difficult and my legs were tired. Now, every path is fair. Some are shorter, some are smoother, or more scenic. But here's the thing. The road doesn't define you. How you walk it does. So what about you? What kind of path did you get? And how are you making it your own? Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. And thanks for missing me and those who wrote. I heard you. I'm sorry. I'll try to be better next time. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.